Yes, be ready. Start. The Learned Council has further argued that reservation is for participation and representation and cannot be used for poverty alleviation. Stop. Reservation in public employment is to reserve discrimination and to equalize representation. Stop. Providing government jobs cannot pave a way for economic upliftment, whereas other ways for providing subsidies, etc., is a kind of affirmative action to eliminate poverty. Stop. Indeed, poverty alleviation is a goal for the state to strive for as per directive principles of state policy, but reservation is not a way to alleviate poverty, as it evident from the statistics that despite decades of reservation in favor of SCs, STs and OBCs, they are still poor. Stop. Relying on the decision of this court in Mills Limited, it was stated that alleviation of poverty has to be done without trumping on fundamental rights. Stop. Welfare steps can be taken under DPSP, but it cannot be done under Article 15 unless there has been discrimination on the grounds mentioned in Article 15 within bracket 1, as otherwise the chapter of Article 15 is charged and results in abrogating the fundamental rights. Stop. It reiterated by this court in Indra case, Article 16 within bracket 4 has to be in consonance with and in furtherance to Article 16 within bracket 1. Stop. Similarly, Article 16 within bracket 6 also has to be in furtherance of equality of opportunity under Article 16 within bracket 1. Stop. So, if Article 16 within bracket 6 is violative of Article 16 within bracket 1, it cannot sustain itself in the scheme of the Constitution. Stop. Stanza. Further, relying upon three-judge bench decision of this court in Indra case, the Learned Council has submitted that by providing reservation to forward class, the identity of backward class is erased and therefore such reservation is illegal, hitting at the roots of the Constitution. Stop. Moreover, if the forward class becomes backward, it can come under OBC so as to benefit from reservation. Stop. She could reason that the 103rd Constitution Amendment is discriminatory to SCs and STs, as the people falling in EWS are approximately 5%, and for these 5% of people, 10% of reservation is provided. Stop. The Learned Council would further submit that the amendment in question is arbitrary too, for there is no mechanism or procedure laid down for it, as under Article 340 for identification of genuine EWS. Stop. Learned Council has based his submission on the ground that the amendment in question. Stop. Over.